Testing, boys. Alright, we here. Sorry about that, guys. A little technical difficulties. Just respark. Yeah, both of these fucking blasted and good. Still showing the same thing? Yeah, that shit's probably going. It is fine. It's back. Is it on there? It is? I thought I just fixed it. It's right now. Alright, it's gonna be at a fucking 33. This shit moving up. Shit about to be at a short location. Yeah, it's a breakout.
You notated yesterday.
What you notated yesterday?
Sub limit at the next key level and short that SL for every time, bro. Short that motherfucker every time.
I hate to do it, but yeah, it was different when it was just at 68.21. That was no sell, but 68.34. 68.34 is gonna be a sell zone. 68.34 current high. Friday low. 68.43. Watch, pull this shit up on my shit.
Nah, let's go out. Let's just keep it safe. I'm good.
Nah, I don't need this.
Yeah, I know, but I got my second station.
You can pull this shit up on here. It'll be like you got your screen up. See it right in. Did it? Just straight. That's some 90s shit. Get out the mess. Don't worry, you're gonna get some.
Don't worry, you're gonna get some.
Alright, yeah, Friday low short. What's yesterday low? Yesterday low 50. Oh man. Oh man. They gonna tell you do you like that? Previous day low short. Where do you have to? All right, I'm playing this short right now. Right now, everything's under the previous day low. Context and Asia London low. Least path of resistance is to the downside. It's a short, so I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait for price. I'm gonna wait for price to give me a signal. What time frame? Probably the 15th, to be honest.
You want a short Friday low. 5 minutes.
5 minutes you going in.
I'm going in. 3 minutes I'm going in one account. And then I'm gonna set my limit at the lower back.
Alright, so since you're taking this, I guess I'm gonna set my limit for the buy side.
set the limit.
But I'm gonna set my limit for the buy side. But if I get a sign of sell pressure up here on a time frame, then I'm gonna take the short as well. Check the spread for That's gonna be my first, cause that's the on trend.
For real, I gotta wait 1 minute. I feel like it's so too long before it's getting closed.
Yeah, just wait. Just wait a minute.
Hey T, we're watching shorts on NQ right now, but limits. I'm doing limits set at 25,688. That's what goes. Put my stop under the 2 to 6 4 hour, which is stops me to be under 25,650. I'm about to take this short in one account, but
Yeah, don't. Alright. I'm gonna set a limit. I'm about to set my limit now. 67.95. That's what I'm getting in. Playing last week's 1023 week low. 1023 week high, the low of the day currently. I need my stop under that area. If I do get to like 6,800, then I'll look at scaling into the position. And I'm also watching a retest and rejection of previous day low and Friday low zone as well. So, but I want a signal for that. So, looking on the 5 minute for that. 68.37. All right. All right, we're going in on one of the short locations now. Get that? Anchor at 68.36. All right, we in with your boys. Got an NQ short going on. What's your entry?
25,872. It'll stop at 25.
Okay. 872. Where'd you stop at again? 930. What you looking at? What you see? All right, first trade of the day. Previous day low shorts on previous day low shorts on NQ. That's not a bad position. That's very nice. Don't they all? Don't they all, man? That's fine. All right, 10:02. Not in a trade yet, which is great. I'm getting in a trade so fast, so not in a trade yet. I'm watching for a candle close on. Looking for a candle close of the bearish sentiment on the ES, and then I'll take the spread 4 hours short. Previous day low. Got my limit set for the buy at the lower end, but if I expect the buy to happen, then I can take advantage of the short. So Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Copy these accounts. Cool. Alright. This is an ineligible account, so I just want to practice my setup here. If I would take it up here.
Order filled.
Yeah, because that's what you gotta look at too. It's like just trading the market that's in front of you, bro. It's like just the path of least resistance to the downside going right in the previous day low. Yeah, I can risk 498 with my stop my stop over previous day. Stop over previous day lows, but I don't have that trade on my plan.
Yeah, you got the trade thing. Yeah, I leave the short, so.
Yeah, only short suits Monday high short. Alright, so I'll stick to the trading plan here.
Worst we lose 500.
Mm.
It takes off at worst we lose 500. We'll never get that first.
Yeah, I never get
That's
this.
just gonna go.
He ain't let you type in the chat in the live stream. It might be something I did on the settings, cause they said that yesterday too. That
You must have been seeing it. See, I'm in short at 25,872 NASDAQ, and I got a buy limit set at 25,688.
that's fine. Well, the shorts don't be too proud to take a 1-to-1.
Short NQ, I'm in at 25,872. It's kind of getting away now. And I got a limit set for the buy at 25,688. So I'm short 25,872 into 25,688. My brother, he's waiting on the long.
I'm waiting on the long, but
5.
I'm also waiting on the signal on the
Yeah,
short too.
5 micros, 5 micro. 5 micro. My bad, I'm on the phone. I don't have that, so you can't hear me that good. So.
I'm waiting on the signal on the short too, busting. Because it's in the short area. So.
Alright, cool. Just make sure your stop is over 25,900. Alright, you good. That's good. I'm at 927. Alright, so make sure you get your break even 50 points away from your entry, so it's going to be around 25,813, I think. Maybe. Yeah, your break even. So make sure you have it in 50 points. Alright, but I'll be good.
Has to take it. Yeah, that shit looking right though. 4 hour curling red with the previous day low. Yeah, this shit can happen. Just the overall move of the day. Shit, it won't be no shock. Won't be like no shock drop, quick shit. Should be trudging, stopping niggas out all day. Yeah, so it already did. You should take the context with the market saying for real. Asia low stacked each other to the downside. New York came in, punched it up to the previous day low. It's the previous day low, test and reject. Quite simple trade if you're taking what you're seeing. That's why for real, minute and a half based off this 5 minute, I can probably take this on Monday. Just because it's affordable. There you go. Look at that. Fuck. Alright, about to enter probe on the shorts, boy. 1 minute. One minute. Then I'm gonna get my signal and I'm gonna put my stop over previous day. Alright, 30 seconds, boss. I'm gonna take this sell signal off the 5 previous day low. Spread 4 hour. Nah, it's good. You leave it on the side. Waiting for this red candle, bro. 2 shorts over 50. And it'll be a $1,000 day if we get hit. With an account on the sideline. They left on the side. Alright, great. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, I got my close.
Order filled.
I'm going in. Alright, guys, so I'm in probe amount. Probe amount 7 and 15. Stop over previous day high. Break even at 27. I'm probably gonna take a TP1 on this. Just because I'm trying to recover this account here, so won't be a stickler here.
Kind of like big, do both. You know, that shit.
Yeah, I mean this is a. Yeah, this is brush your break even by 4. There's 2 true break even. It's the worst that could happen. Yeah, it's the worst that could happen, bro. Absolutely nothing. Shit can't hurt me. Can't do nothing to me. Really should make 14 at the SL4. And then I'll also have my limit. Yeah, that's what you got to do. Path of least resistance. My key level here is previous day low. Trading plan only had to buy a previous day low, but based off market context, I got to go with what's showing. Got to go with what's showing here, man. And I'll take that every time. These are the harder trades. Don't want to take. I mean, they're not even the harder trades. They're actually quite the simpler trade, but you just really don't believe it. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's one thing, like my 2 losing days, I'm just kind of being a little bit too preemptive on like what, not reacting. You know what I'm saying?
React to the price line. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like, you know, all your structure's right, and then you just react to the price line.
Yeah, you just react to the price line, bro. And then keep your risk where it needs to be. So, that's it. Show it the next day, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's no longs here. So if I expect to get long at that SL4, then if it's not a good buy, it's a good sell. So take it. You know what I'm saying? I don't really see why I would take this. Only because I don't like shorts, but I understand what the. That's why it's good to be trading our pairs, because if it does get wicked, it's like, all right, bro. All right, dude. I understand respectfully. Respectfully, so it's cool. But yeah, that's me for today, man. Let this play out. 2 accounts short previous day lows. Price does what it's doing now, trying to pop, then I'll get popped out. But if it continues with the path of least resistance for the day, then I'll take this win. Yeah, that's the trade. Just taking what comes right now. You know what I'm saying? Key location, 4-hour signal.
So you gotta be willing to take those off those that bitch got a spread. If you're willing to take off, you would did. That bitch took off and then got a spread into a few other fields.
Yeah, so what am I supposed to do?
Am I supposed to think it's not true?
Yeah, and based off my senses, if I can't buy up here, I can only buy once price gets down there.
Yeah.
And I'm setting a limit for price to get down there. It's literally like 40 points for me to eat in between there, and that's worth the risk. I mean, you're talking about a 3-1 previous day low short. It's like, yeah, as long as my trades are looking like that and I'm not at a 1R, then I'll survive. I'll survive over time, and that's the name of the game. So overall, man, that's me. Take a L today. I'm off tomorrow. Man. I'm on like a 3-peat. With it, yeah. Getting re-ingratiated with my girl. That's what I can say for sure. For sure. Strong 15 close over the spread 4 hour. Don't like that. First sign of continuation here. They get the sell signal on the level in the 5 minutes, so we're consolidating up here. Yeah, nothing too much happening with this shit.
It's just fucking sloppy buyer seller fight.
Yeah. The good old New York session.
The YM's bidding up. Like, bro, I hate the YM, dude. I really do.
It's another divergence day. Alright, yeah, I'm probably gonna take a L. That bitch definitely stretching. Yeah, shit crossed back over previous day low.
Where you at? Stop at?
51.50. Yeah, I'm over previous day low. Get over that. I'm out, man. Fuck off. Yeah, that's cheesy. That's what we call a divergence, guys. ES is trading under previous day low. NQ trading under previous day low. YM just burst over previous day low. So, well, we're not all selling now. So, see what happens. Either way, though, it was either gonna be a short this area type of day, or if price continued, I wasn't gonna get filled. So, not bad. I guess I could have not took the short, but fuck that. Put them on with the rest. Walk away.
What you got for a previous day low online?
47,250. Sorry. Previous day low, 47,265. Yeah, so it's right there. Yeah, it already crossed over, fucking 100 points over. But yeah, NQ is still fall. Alright, good.
That's just divergence between niggas hopping in and out of text. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything to. It might bump up the ES, but it's not gonna do shit for it. We'll see, man. We'll see. It's me for the day, man. Getting back ingratiated with my product, man. So I'll take some time. Take a couple trades, right? Couple trades, soft landing. Yeah, soft landing. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're here. Let's tap in with see if me Kevin's live. Try to catch some news for the day. Yeah, that's my trade, man. Spread 4 hours short off previous day low. That's my trade for the day. Nice and clean. Is Kevin live, man? Thought he was going live at 9:44. Alright, no kill. At the top step, dude. Goddamn YM about to stretch me up. Alright guys, we're here, man. Previous day low shorts. Market's catching a bid. Be good for my folio. Yeah, we're here, guys.
Hit 188,000 subscribers here on Top Step TV. Thank you so very much. If you click subscribe, click like notify as well. If you'd be so kind, Jacob, you're seeing selling right out of the gate. I know you like to watch the first 30-45 minutes of the into the New York session before you do take your trade. How are you processing this? I know you like to keep an eye on VWAP. We got the buyers right now. Jacob, the markets are moving. Any prices of interest at all in the NQ? Markets are alive and well. My goodness.
Not right now, but yeah, I do believe we'll fill this gap. So we'll continue lower. But
Okay.
I will not take a position right now, as you know.
Right back up. Okay, seeing some buying step right back here in the NASDAQ. We did just bottom out at 25,663. We are back up about 80 points. 25. The sellers just stepped right in. My goodness. ES and NASDAQ. 6,800 in the ES. 50-50 on the tilt right now. But markets are absolutely cooking. Take a look at the 10-year yield really quick. 10-year yield still right around 4.1%, just underneath 4.1%. A lot of things, a lot of cross currents going on right here. Top step,
dudes?
Yo, oh, Jack, look at this, man. Markets are absolutely, markets are absolutely cooking. We filled the gap in the ES. It's a big one, Jack.
I saw a tweet somewhere that was along the lines of we've gone 24 hours without an open AI deal or a Trump reducing tariffs on China announcement, and this is what stocks do.
Wow. That's what the sell-off is all about. Oh, man. The NASDAQ, they just walked that thing up to 25,730. Sellers came in and hit the bid. Now we are well beneath 25,700, 25,680 now. Again, gold just getting absolutely smoked. Jack, what do you have your eyes on? Any prices of interest in the ES? I mean, my goodness.
67.80 would get us down to the 67.50 SPX. We're trading 67.70. We just, overnight we just showed little regard at all for the big 6,800 level in the SPX and opened well below it. But that would be the next spot I'm looking at. So a little bit of room still.
Right. Keep an eye on that gold. Aaron trading 39.45. Session lows 39.42. Now 39.44 trades. And huge selling in gold. Down about $40 in the last 15 minutes or so. Hogan still got you there. First 9 minutes into the New York session. Looks like the dead ass high here in the NASDAQ and the ES. Probably Dow, same thing. We saw that as well yesterday. I mean, what do we see? 69. We're up around 69.07 or so. In ES, that was a dead ass high, but we are just looking to the downside. What's the VIX at?
Yeah,
the VIX, Andy?
Opening range is neither the high nor the low in the S&P or the NASDAQ. It's both sides. Gold is just getting worked over.
Yes, it is. We had 20 yet in the VIX?
19.3. But we
We're
did
getting there.
spike to 20 overnight. We got above it. We haven't even like really started a sell off. The kind of truism is not truism, but old market tale is the sell off doesn't stop till at least you get above 30 in the VIX.
Yeah, well, looking heavy here in gold. New lows gold 39.38, 39.38 now trades. My goodness, we are down.
Wow.
Yes, $45 in the last 15 minutes or so. More selling in gold. Where are they going to take this? We right when that New York bell hit, we were trading right around 39.80. 39.37 just.
I can see us coming down to some more lows. I can see us coming down maybe back down here into 39.25s. So if I can get a little, if I can get a little bit of a pullback, I can see it squeezing lower. But it could also just keep dropping. But that would be the next level of interest to me. Back down at these lows here.
Jacob dressed to the nines. Look at this turnaround in the NQ. Will this be a successful push higher? We are looking at about 80-point pop right now, 25,745 now trades in the NASDAQ. ES turned right around as well, back up to 68.11. Markets are absolutely cooking right now. We are so back, yo, says a place. We sure are. Markets are rocking right now. Hogue, what was open interest coming into in gold coming into today? If you have that handy,
I do.
Are they long? They just wow! Look at this turnaround.
The preliminary was an additional 8,700 contracts, and if you look at the kind of direction of the day yesterday, I would say those are probably new shorts coming in, and that's kind of new because we've been seeing open interest falling off. It was an inside day yesterday as well, so it's kind of a surprise that there was that much of an increase in open interest. But again, that is the preliminary number, and that can change. But we definitely added some shorts yesterday. I believe they're shorter time frame shorts, and they are still getting paid right now.
They are turnaround here in the ES, closing right to overnight VWAP 68.16. A 20-point pop here in this 5-minute candle. Look at that NASDAQ turn right around as well. We're looking at about 100-point turnaround in the NASDAQ on this 5-minute candle. Markets are rocking right now. Tilt 50-50. Not seeing many major numbers here in the next 15 minutes or so. Actually, for that matter, not major numbers for the time being. In terms of speakers, we do have some speakers a little bit later, but it's pretty quiet as far as news goes. So we do have a White House press briefing at 11 a.m. Central Time. Right now, we are locked in on these markets. Anyone catch the long in the equities there? Jacob, you're seeing this price action here in the first 15 minutes. Any thought? I mean, typically in the first 15 minutes, you're watching and you're trying to process what is happening. Does any of this price action in the first 15 minutes sway your trade idea one way or another?
What I'm saying here is, we go higher, but we have VWAP. So I want to see the reaction here of the VWAP. It will tell me a little bit more for later on, like my positioning, if I short or long. And I want to see what is the reaction here of the VWAP. We either like bounce a bit or we go higher. So I'm waiting for that.
Okay. You can see some buyers here in the ES now. A couple ticks above that.
Aaron, are you seeing some bids coming in down here in the in gold?
Yeah, we're trying to. We're trying to find some support. I got the 15. I'm just watching this 15 close coming in here. I feel like if we close below 39.50, we could still continue selling off here. A quick little pullback. We might continue selling. We're trying to.
What a push higher here. NASDAQ turn.
Right, the leaf blowers are gone.
Look at this turnaround. 6,800. They were able to defend it. Got done at 67.95 or so. Buyers for that thing right around about 30 points. to the upside in the ES NASDAQ with about 100, 110 point turnaround. This last 5 minute candle. We're only 15 minutes into this trading session, and markets are absolutely rocking.
Point of interest, if you're long right here, we're about 9 points away from that 6,800 level, the big fat one in the SPX that I mentioned. Rocketed in the first print all the way up to like 222, and then this morning was trading as low as 186 or something. Whether you're a lover or hater, Palantir is kind of the poster child for big tech AI stocks that have very rich valuation.
That got the sell off really fueled, right? Is that how I read in the chat? That's when the sell off really got going. What?
It just was like a sentiment thing, right?
Yeah.
Usually when they beat numbers, they go through the moon. And probably a lot of people got eaten up on call options there because that's been a popular thing to do.
Chat saying, can you say AI bubble? Perhaps. All right, 30 seconds till initial balance prices. I got this one, Hogue. You're in a trade. How's constant trade right now? Again, let's get those internet. Still do initial balance low for the NASDAQ, chat. I'm going to ask you, what is the initial balance low for the NASDAQ? I got the price. Just such a low price trade in the first hour.
Mr. Valentine.
So the price. All right. Maybe this bit is wearing off. The chat is not responding like it used to. Over it. Initial balance low in the NASDAQ I have at 25,645. And in the ES, I've got 6786. 6786. Initial balance high. In the ES, I got, what do we got, Jack?
Oh, you want the initial balance? I can initial balance you.
Initial balance, what's the high here?
obviously-
I got 6846, call it.
Yeah, 6846. Low is the low of the New York session. 6795, 3/4.
Correct.
Hey,
You got 95s? See, I'm still bad at this. Oh yeah, it is. Yep. All right. We'll work off of those here in the next 30 minutes or so. Good job, chat. Someone's still hanging with me on that.
Mm.
All right, take a look at these prices. 68.42 last trade in ES. Some people are saying you can see a bull flag on the 5 minute. Well, see that as well. Man, gold is just absolutely lulled to sleep, is absolutely hypnotized, head spinning after all that volatility we saw in the first 45 minutes in fast markets. Last trade, 39.59. Appreciating $60.54. Fair enough. No time for it. Everyone's trading. Good stuff. All right. What do we do with that initial balance? Basically, kind of like the range for the first hour in the New York session. And wide range like that, we're going to need more energy to extend. So I'll probably say, play off the extremes, perhaps.
Excellent.
Hogue took me about 15 years. 15 years, you finally beat it into my head. I'm trying to think along the same lines as you. 68.40 last trade. ES tilt. Nothing jumping off the page yet. 800 lot on the bid in the ES. About 18 points below on the bid to the downside.
Aaron's thinking, close this 5 minute bar higher. We're going to add.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yep. Been the same.
Guys.
I like this.
We'll push here. 39.64. We're going to add. NASDAQ's got a hold here. Buyers did come back in the NASDAQ. ES, same story. More volume trading up here. More volume trading up here. Why is
Yeah,
that?
we got a fight going on.
Rock fight indeed. 10-year pushing higher in prices, yields going lower. Yeah, volume is just coiling up, right? Coiling up, coiling up. In the equities, go to Aaron. Aaron, looking for.
I'm gonna just reduce risk a little bit here. This is a pretty decent squeeze here on gold. It's gone from risking about 113 to 50-ish. I would like to get an add-on gold, but I don't want us to push too much right now. I don't want to average out too high.
What price? Hogan, Aaron, we're talking about perhaps an ad. Well, you guys stay locked in there. 38.68 last trade. And gold, 10-year is pushing higher. Take a look at crude. Crude's trading $60.55. 68.41 in the ES. Jack, are you watching?
Nvidia's still down.
Yeah, are you watching options volume as we consolidate around these prices? How has options volume changed as we just hold right around the highs in the ES?
Oh, I'm just watching levels for now.
Alright guys, I'm having some technical difficulties. If you can see, about to go ahead and close out for the day. We are in these shorts. I'll update you as time progresses.